Ang maymay, oh. Ayun, nakikita niyo ba ang maymay na yan? Hindi ko alam kung natatanaw niya. Natanaw niya ako. Nakamaymay ko. Good morning, my love. Good morning, beautiful. Good morning, Reyna ng bangketa. Come here. Come to mama. How are you, baby? Let's talk first. How are you? Tayo dyan, nag-English na tuloy ako sa iyo, May. How are you, baby? Sit muna, sit. Sit ka muna, sit. Sit down. May sit down. Let's talk first. Let's talk about love. Kumusta ka naman kagabi? Teka muna, mupo ka muna. Upo ka muna. Let's talk muna. Di ba sabi ko sa'yo? Every time we see each other, we talk. We talk first. No eating yet. Just talk, okay? How are you? If you ask me, I'm fine. Thank you. Yeah, very good. Very good, very good. Good girl. Good girl. How are you, Maymay? I know you're fine. I know you're good. Huh? And how about me? I'm fine too. I'm good too. I always good. Because of you. Because of you. I need to be always good. Because of you, my beautiful baby. My kuda daw ako nagkuda. I love you, you know that? Ha? My, you know that? Dapat you know that. Ha, my. I love you so much. And okay, you need to eat. You need to eat now. Please sit down. Please sit down. Okay. Oy, my. Power cut is ano daw, maalat. Baka daw may UTI ka, hindi na ako maka-English, May. Hindi ko na alam kung anong English nun. May, oh. Eat na, May. Oh. You finish that, ha? You simot-simot the cat food, ha? You need to simot the cat food. Because that is very expensive cat food, you know? Ha? You need to simot-simot that. Because that is very expensive. Only for you, ha? Exclusively for you, my. Okay? Okay, I need to go. I have to go, my, because I need to feed your tropa kids. Bye, May. Nainis na si May sa akin. Bye. May is already finished. And chilling ka na naman ngayon. Bye-bye na, May. I need to go home now. I need to go home. I am hungry. I have no almusal yet. Bye-bye. Ingat ka po. I love you. Ingat ka. Ingat ka lagi. I love you. Bye-bye.